Software Spring. Presents. How to use XLOOKUP for approximate and wildcard match in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on using the XLOOKUP function to conduct an approximate and a wildcard match. Let's begin by taking a look at the XLOOKUP function formula. In this tutorial, we will use the match mode attribute for an approximate and a wildcard match. The values of match mode attribute can be 1, -1, or 2. 1 is for exact match, or value higher than search key. -1 is for exact match, or value lower than search key. 2 is for wildcard match. For info on the other attributes, please review the tutorial, How to use XLOOKUP to extract multiple values, whose link is given in the description. Moving forward, here are the objectives of this tutorial. To conduct an approximate search, using 1 and -1 for match mode attribute. To search using wildcard symbols, question mark, and asterisk. Alright, we are ready to type the XLOOKUP function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, X, L, and select XLOOKUP. For search key, click this cell. Type comma. For lookup range, select this area. Type comma. For result range, select this area. Type comma. For missing value, type comma, as we want to omit this argument. Key point. Type comma, if you wish to skip an optional argument, but want to use an optional argument, following the argument you want to skip. For match mode, type 1, because we want an approximate match. Press enter. OK. XLOOKUP has returned an approximate value, which is higher than the search key. The reason is match mode is equal to 1. Now, let's change this value to 50. Let's also change the match mode value to -1. Click this cell. Change this value to -1, and press enter. There you go. XLOOKUP has returned an approximate value, which is lower than the search key. The reason is, match mode is equal to -1. Moving on, let's conduct a wildcard match. Say, you want to extract data, relating to item code, with the following specifications. First character, should be G. Second character, can be anything. Third character, should be 0. Lastly, fourth character should be asterisk, meaning, any and all characters. The wildcard specification for this task is, G, $0, asterisk. Let's go ahead, and change the search key in the formula. Click this cell. Change the search key. Change the lookup range to this area. Change the match mode value to 2, and press enter. Alright, XLOOKUP has returned the value, which matches with the wildcard specification. Quick review. XLOOKUP function formula is: XLOOKUP searches the lookup range for the search key. XLOOKUP can return exact, or approximate data, from result range. Use wildcard characters like question mark, and or asterisk, with match mode set to 2, for wildcard search. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.